Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be introducing you to a really cool tool for Instagram, an automated messaging tool. Watch the whole video, and if you like it, please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. First, we'll go into the software and select the automated messaging function. Next, we'll choose the messages we want to send to customers. You can select one or multiple messages. Next, we'll scan the followers of our account, or any account, to get their data for messaging. After the scan is complete, we'll use those accounts to have the software automatically message them.